Are you having trouble with students writing nonsense and derailing your Frankenstories game? Here's what you can do. I'm in my game setup screen. Approval mode is switched on. I'll also show you swear filter is switched on. That's on by default, of course. The swear filter will mask any known swear words with asterisks. So I'll go through and create my game and skip straight through. I've had a few students join. Firstly, I'll show you the watch list. The watch list will automatically flag words that you select. Let's have a look. I can add skibbity, riz, all these different things. You can add your own words. Once you've added them for one game, they'll stay for every game. I can also add players to the watch list. I'll go to players and I might select this player. If you don't know how to have both the alias name and the student's real name shown, watch our video on the benefits of creating a class. So I'll start the game. The replies have come in, and you can see the flags here. So this has been flagged because of the watchwords that have been included. You can see here this student has been flagged because they were our flagged student, and this student has no flags because they've written a good response and they're not on our watch list. So for these ones, I'll reject, and this one I accept, and then I hit approve. And that's how you can help manage your Frankenstories games.